Honda recommends changing the spark plugs on this 1999 Honda Civic every 30,000 miles. This video will be helpful for years 1996 through 2000. They are all similar. This engine is a D16Y7. It's stamped on your block at this location. This chart is from the Honda service manual. Use it to find the correct plugs for your engine. Honda recommends NGK plugs. To lessen the chance of damaging the aluminum head, start with a cold engine. Remove the plug wires. To prevent damaging the wires, grab them like this, wiggle and pull. You'll need an extension and a 5/8 inch plug socket. As you remove the plugs, lay them out in cylinder order. Later, inspect the plugs to see how they're burning. If the plugs are burned, have worn electrodes, or are fouled, these are possible causes. Adjust the gap on the new plugs. Here's the gap for all engines except the B16A2, and here's the gap for the B16A2. The service manual says to put anti-seize on the threads. NGK says not to. I'll go with NGK's advice. I've never had a plug get stuck, and the manual was printed in 2000, so technologies for plugs have changed. Carefully install the plug, making sure you don't cross thread. The plug should turn freely and there shouldn't be any resistance. Turn it until it's hand tight. Then torque to 13 foot-pounds. Reinstall the spark plug wires. Some people use dielectric grease. However, these are NGK plug wires and they don't recommend using it. And you'll hear a pop when you push down. Put the plug wires back in their holders. Make sure that you don't have any of the wires laying across the hot parts of the engine. You can damage the wires. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.